Unpacking, Fixing To, Understanding an American English Phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, fixing to. It's a phrase you might have heard if you've been exposed to American English, particularly Southern American English. So, if you're fixing to learn all about it, you're in the right place. The phrase, fixing to, is a colloquial expression commonly used in the Southern United States. When someone says they are fixing to do something, they mean that they are about to do it or are preparing to do it. It's important to note that this phrase indicates imminent action. Think of it as a more informal way to say, getting ready to. Interestingly, fixing to has roots in older forms of English. The word fix used to mean to prepare or put in order. Over time, in certain dialects, especially in the South, fixing to has come to be a standard way to express an intention to do something soon. Using fixing to in a sentence is straightforward. Here are some examples. I'm fixing to go to the store. Do you need anything? She's fixing to make dinner, so we should be eating soon. They were fixing to leave when the phone rang. Notice how in each case, the action is something that will happen shortly. While fixing to is great for casual conversations, it is not appropriate for formal situations. You wouldn't want to use it in a job interview or in a formal business meeting. In these cases, it's better to say, I am about to, I am planning to, or I am preparing to. And there you have it, folks. Fixing to is a colorful and informal phrase that's part of the rich tapestry of American English, especially in the South. It's a great way to convey that you're on the verge of doing something, and it gives your English a touch of regional flavor. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now fixing to use this phrase in your own conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about the nuances of the English language.